Right, this is the daily chart of the QQQ. The QQQ today did a pretty bullish thing. We reversed on heavy volume. The only problem is that um, we need to see how the stocks, how some stocks follow through tomorrow, how the Qs follow through. Because even though the spiders and the diamonds are, the Dow is very, they're looking bullish. There's a strong divergence in the QQQ. Which implies most likely that this rally won't last. Doesn't mean that it will not. I'm just saying it's something to be cautious about, because here you have. Uh, I'll give you an example. Here is an inflection point where it looked very negative. The Qs were selling off, so it looked very bearish. And last time that was 64.4 million, and then we reversed. Right, same time, the CCI wasn't that negative. It needed to follow through, and instead they reversed this way. Now the Qs are the opposite, where we're bullish, looking really good this way, but we have this divergence in the CCI, and we have that heavy volume. Do we reverse to the downside? We'll need to see. In the meantime, let's talk about a bullish setup. CMI. CMI is a stock I was watching. I didn't mention this. Today, theoretically it broke out above 135 point, which is, the stock's a dollar higher. The only thing was that the volume wasn't that heavy, and it didn't come in until the end. And I can show you this here. So the volume that really made up, that really helped it up, really came more to the end of the day. Um, so it wasn't very apparent. And the thing is that this stock's a nice setup, but we need to see how the stock acts in that 137.30 area, and what kind of volume comes in as it approaches at 137.30. I mean, this stock has the potential to go a lot higher. It's a great setup, but it might need more time, and we need to see the volume still, what kind of follow through we get. So I wanted to mention CMI is something to watch. And of course, to see what kind of follow through we get with the QQQs, what kind of pullback we get. Let's put the Qs up. The market's been very choppy lately. Things weren't actually looking very good. They reversed heavily, quickly. Apple, a great example. Right? I mean, we were down as low as 538, and they reversed it right back up. And this is uncommon action to happen. It was good volume. It doesn't mean that this isn't gonna, it's just gonna take off. They could test us lower again. So back to CMI. So there you have it. Thanks for listening. Like the video.